I'm Mattei from matteirealty.ca. A bit of a safety tip today. I recently worked with someone who's a space engineer, not joking. That's his job title. The guy is a genius and he's a gentleman on top of that. And as I was showing him homes, I learned a lot about lithium ion batteries. Number one, they're extremely volatile. So if you see, most homes nowadays will have small batteries like this for household items, snowblowers, lawnmowers. The advice that this fellow gave me, who was responsible for the satellite that provided internet to an entire country, so he might know a little bit more than you and I about batteries, always check that the casing of the unit is not cracked. Take care when you handle them. If the batteries are exposed to oxygen, it's very dangerous in terms of flammability and other issues. In addition to that, these usually serve as things like snowblowers, lawnmowers, leaf blowers, the dreaded leaf blower. Usually people leave these in the garage or in a shed. They lose functionality under -10 degrees Celsius. So if you leave these things in a garage or a shed out over the winter, chances are you've really cut their usability and lifespan, which is bad for the environment and your pocketbook. Now, I store these in a safe place in the home if we run into an issue where the fire, if there was one, could be contained. You should always keep something like this in a kitchen area, but a lot of people are afraid on how to use this. Pull the thing, point at the bottom of the fire. If that concerns you, you can get a blanket and smother any fire. Keep in mind the battery fire is not a grease fire, it's different. So before you do anything else, don't just take my advice. I'm not a professional or a space engineer. Read the manual that your device came with and research battery safety around the home for these lithium ion components that are all over houses these days. I'm Mattei from matteirealty.ca. Have a great day.
Just tell me what to